How to install and use the P30 digital power supply heat gun. This is the dormant bracket and fixing screws for the heat gun. This is the handle and 3 nozzles of the heat gun. Let's unpack the accessories. Users can install the dormant bracket on the left or right side of the power supply according to your usage habits. At the same time, try to tilt the bracket upwards to achieve a better dormant effect, and fix it with screws. Choose a suitable nozzle and install it on the handle of the heat gun. Align the concave point on the nozzle with the heat gun and press it in with a little force. First, place the heat gun handle on the dormant bracket, then connect the heat gun interface to the power supply interface and tighten it. Lift the heat gun from the sleep bracket to see if there is any response, and the heat gun starts working. Put the heat gun on the sleep bracket. Enter the main menu page. Lift the heat gun again to see if there is any change, and the heat gun starts working. Use of shortcut settings. When you pick up the heat gun, the C1 font is red, the temperature is 200 Celsius degree, and the wind speed is adjusted to 30%. Rotate the left rotary button to adjust the temperature value you want. Rotate the right rotary button to adjust the wind speed value, and press and hold for 2 seconds to confirm. If you want to set the temperature of C2, press the M1 button to enter the C2 setting. Rotate the left rotary button to adjust the temperature, and the right rotary button to adjust the wind speed. After setting, press and hold the M1 button for 2 seconds to confirm. Press the M2 button to enter the C3 divided by C for setting, and the setting method is the same as C1 divided by C2. Press the M3 button to enter the parameter setting. The first one is the countdown setting. The maximum is 60 minutes and the minimum is 1 minute. We select 1 minute and return to check the screen to see that it is counting down. After 1 minute of countdown, the air gun will stop working. Press the M2 button to choose select the option. The second is temperature calibration. Click to switch. If the temperature is 50 degrees higher, set it to -50 degrees. If the temperature is 50 degrees lower, set it to +50 degrees. The temperature has been calibrated at the factory and does not require additional calibration by the users. Temperature unit. There are Fahrenheit and Celsius. You can choose the unit you like. Sound setting. You can choose to turn off or on the sound. The device type is set at the factory and does not need to be set by the user. Have you learned it? Thanks for your watching.